Hey, what's up, guys? This is AMDAM Trader. Trading in the morning, usually in pre-market, founder of three, beginner trader, 2 years, and yeah, don't take any of my advice on trading. I'm not gonna tell you what to trade. So trade at your own risk. Anyway, today's recap is going to be EYES. Trade this morning at 5 o'clock Mountain Time, Eastern Time. It's 7 o'clock, of course. And so, yeah, we're gonna get into the chart. Last one here didn't pan out the way I wanted it to, but made small gains on the way, scalped a little bit here and there. 3.62 on the early ones. But yep, let's go through the chart. See what happened. See what I'm thinking. Here we go. EYES this morning. 4 o'clock started moving. 3 o'clock my time. Started moving. Jumped up from 5 to 569. Dropped. Has a potential, right? This white rectangle line down on the bottom is where the close of yesterday, meaning that if anything trades above that, that means it's a bullish market. So that's what happened. Okay. Woke up around 3:30. Turned on my computer, did my morning meditation, pre-market meditation, guys. Man, I feel like this music is overpowered me, and yeah. But anyway, I need to be more upbeat. But yeah, EYES at 5 o'clock pre-market jumped up to $6 from 540 to $6. And EYES, because I have traded this in the past, EYES is a well-known spiker, well-known gapper, and so you know, it jumped to $6, dropped, and right there, you know, I was not gonna chase this. I was thinking, okay, if it bounces on VWAP, that's my play. Got on, it touched VWAP, dropped below VWAP, should have came in, but previous experience, I know my losses. Some stocks can drop lower, especially when this thing is trading with 27 million shares. 27 million shares is not big of a deal. You know, someone can have 27 million dollars, 27 million times what, 6. So someone can have about what, 28, let's say 28 million, right? Times that to 6, someone can have $168 million in their pocket to be able to trade this by themselves, right? Bringing it up, sell it, and dropping it. And so I saw news on this. It's not a bad news. It was something. Let me look at the news real quick. It has to do with the Second Sight Medical Products announces 2-year result of its Orion study. Not bad. It announced news. Come on now. So, you know, usually if you guys know market makers, they will make crazy news to pump up the stock. And so yeah, and this thing got pumped. It dropped on VWAP, got in as it started curling up. I got in with 500 shares. That's 5.78 cents, and then it dropped. Should have gotten more here, but instead, as it followed through, another 200 shares there. Sold most of my shares here. Was in with 700. Sold 600 shares there. Now, if we look at here, right, right up here, the high of it was $6. Now my target, profit target, should be $6, unless it breaks above that, and you know, just skyrocket it. But $6 is my target, so I'm bought in here, Should have been more confident here and buy like 2,000 shares, 3,000 shares, but pre-market. I'm still not confident, guys. 2 years trading, I'm still not confident on making big plays. And so got him with 500 shares, 700 shares. Sold most of it here as it goes touches 6, sold 500, touches 608, got out with the whole thing. Excuse me. It's all about humanity. Woo. Let's go, music. Anyway, so as it drops down, I was waiting for the VWAP, not a bounce on VWAP. You didn't touch VWAP. Start curling up. I'm chasing it. 601. Drop more. Bought in. Now this is what I should have done here, right? As it drop, get in more. Get in more. Boom. Breakout. Breakout out of this area here. Look at this. All right. Breakout. You better get out, right? Because this thing right here could drop down lower. It didn't. So, but I exit all my shares right here, which with what 400 shares left. And so as this thing continued breaking up, I'm like, okay, I'm chasing it. So I chased it out, chased out. I mean, quick scalp. All right. And then here I tried to chase again third time. It won't let me. Huge defensive wall coming in, got me down, right? Brought me back a couple yards, jumped down to 626. I bought in. This thing, the low of this was 624. I got in at 626, and when it bounced back up, I was like, you know what? I'm out. 632. Quick gain there. What? $2 gain. Let's see. Yeah, $2 gain. And then there's the other one here. Yeah, this is last trade. No, $1 gain on that one. 630, 631. As it started to break 631, I was like, okay, maybe I could scalp that. Maybe I could touch 638 and then go beyond. But nope. 631 only went up to 633 and then start dropping. I should have bought more here at 629. I mean, sorry, 619, because I knew that this is a good support here. All right, you see the bottom here. The low on this one was 619. This low on this one 619. The low on this one 619. So 619 had a good support, but I was not comfortable. Should have got in, and that could have been positive up here. And so that didn't work out that well. It started going down, and finally I was like, okay, I'm just gonna call it a day. Made about $200. I'm out. And yep, there it is, 621. Exit. And so if we go look at the stats, oh, I've been showing the stats. Oh, okay. So yeah, I was talking about this right here, right? 619 was the low here. 619 was the low here. 619 was the low here. You guys can look at right there. Just right there. 619, and here's also 619. So yeah, 619 is a good support. I should have gotten right here. Didn't. If I did average down a little bit more, it would cut half from 631, 619. I'll probably be an average of 623 here, and I would have been made a quick gain here, but didn't do what I was thinking of, and so cut my loss right away as it started. Look at this candles, right? Not so I'm not so confident in this kind of candles, like drop here, up, drop, up, drop, up, drop, up, drop. And so I was thinking it's gonna drop lower, but it didn't. Bounce back up. Maybe it should have stayed, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. Don't even need to think about that. Anyway, that's my play for today, guys. EYES. Let's look at the stats. 80% winning rate there. Of course, 1% loss there at the end. 3.6%, the one that I got in the first entry. Should have been more aggressive on my first entry, because my first entry is always the best setup. Not always, but most of the time is the best setup. And you know, my percentage has been good, right? This month, excuse me, this month 82% winning rate. Of course, biggest loss 13% on LEDS, and biggest win 13.87, 467 on RIG. So yeah, that's my stats. 185 negative this month. Last month was 1,000 gain, so that's not bad. Hopefully we'll be continue seeing good momentum. Yeah, so today I'm up $213, not bad. I was gonna make about 250, but yeah, didn't pan out the way I wanted to. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys add me on Instagram, TheamTrader, Trader. And so like and subscribe if you guys learned something. Yeah, I know the music can be annoying. Sorry for that. But I do have kids running around in the background, and so this keeps the noises down low. So yeah, gonna be a busy day today for us. We're gonna go out and do some shopping and spend time with the kids. So yeah, gotta be a dad, right? You trade for what, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, done. Go spend time with your kids. 20/80 guys. 20 losses, 80 gains, right? 20% of the time spending trading 80% of the time spend with the family. All right, anyway, take care guys, stay green. Hope you guys are green, and have an awesome day. Take care.